Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a great feature which tells you how are you presenting your presentation. So this feature is available in Office 365 and it's basically rehearsing with coach. Now I am also going to tell you that even if you don't have Office 365, you can simply go to office.com and use the online version, PowerPoint on the web, and you don't have to pay anything, and it's free and you can actually use it. So it's really amazing. And now just take a look at how deep it goes. It is telling you about your page and your average pace. I think let's do it in front of you. It's also telling me that I have used this word and really. So let's rehearse again and you would see what I mean by this dashboard. It's online, so it's taking a bit of time. Okay, now my slide is here, so I'm going to click start rehearsing and let's see how the coach looks at my presentation delivery in this case. Hello everyone, this is the first slide. Let's see how I am doing. So I just read everything from the slide. Let's see if this catches it or not. Now it is telling me not to use this word. Now let's go to the second slide. Just for your information, I have used the morph transition. This is just a simple one picture, a very high resolution picture, and I have duplicated those slides and I have made this. So the presentation doesn't really matter. It is just there to understand how I am presenting, and you can see that it is telling me again and again that I am using this word too much, which is not right, and this is affecting my overall presentation delivery. Let me try not to use that. So this is a very beautiful lake. Okay, now the mountain is good. This is a beautiful picture. So in the end we will zoom out again and see how the coach rates us. I do know because of that which I have used so much, and it has caught me, and it actually when I used it again, so it is telling me that you are doing it again. So let's see, let's finish the presentation. So here it is. So the pace was good, 134 words per minute. I spent 1 minute and 25 seconds here. Low pitch variation, try increasing the tone for you. Okay, it's giving me you avoided reading the slide text aloud. That's okay, fine. Pronunciation was good. Okay, I used this word very. Okay, now this is a good insight that I need to work on this word very. I may use a synonym, something which means very, and these are the filler words. So when I have to think what I am going to say next, so I am using and actually. This is great insight, and I think if you have to rehearse for a very important presentation, this can help you. So I think by rehearsing 2 or 3 times with this coach, you will be able to deliver a great presentation, and so this is something which is really good, and I think this is going to help you a lot. And even if you don't have Office 365, you can simply go and use it for free, office.com. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please subscribe and also hit the bell icon.